Come, let's go. Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Goa. Day 2 of the trip. In fact, this is the first day we're gonna go around in Goa. We want to get up early, but after a tiring day, we went to bed and woke up super late. It's already like 9:40 now, 9:40, 9:45. So just heading to the restaurant here at the resort to get the breakfast, and then after that the plan is to go out and let's see how it goes. So for now, I think another 15 minutes the counter is gonna close at the restaurant. We are super late. We didn't want to get up. So Right, so welcome to Wildberry Resort, Goa. So this place is somewhere between Gonda Beach and the Palolem Beach Road. Yeah, Gonda Beach is actually 5 minutes drive from the resort, and this is the entrance. This is the parking area. So that's our car there. In fact, last night too many vehicles, so finally I found a parking spot right at the end. That's the security checkpoint, and that is the restaurant. The reception and waiting area is down there, which I'll show you shortly. So here are some pictures of the guests and a small little fountain. And restaurants actually set up pretty well. The best part is like there's a lot of greenery in this place, You see the flowering plants all around. It's an open restaurant, and that's the sitting area. On Wednesday and Thursday nights there is live music that happens here. Last night there was karaoke and live music that was conducted here. I couldn't shoot because I came down really late. Now let's check out the property. So the restaurant is open for both the guests and people who can just drop down to have lunch or dinner or breakfast. So this is the path that takes you down to the cottages. So soon after you enter, you have this beautiful board set up. Maybe you can click some good pictures here. There you go. And interesting thing is, during the night this place is full lit, some good lights and all that. I'll try to put a picture here which I just took on my phone last night. You can take a look at that. It looked really nice. The ambience just keeps you pretty much relaxed, and some good music and food and drinks. What more you want when you're in Goa? Yeah, so that is the reception and the waiting area. So when you check in, this is where you do so. A cute little pathway laid with stones and some grass, which takes you into the property where the cottages are there. There's a lot of them. There is one big row of cottages here and a few there where we are staying. That is actually the garden view. This is kind of, half of it is garden view and half of it is the pool view cottages. And it's completely covered with some good vegetation, guys. If you look at it, there's a lot of palm trees and a lot of flowering and fruit bearing trees up here. You can actually come chill in the evening. It's so pleasant. You can see birds and all just coming down. So a lot of them, you can actually hear them around. There is a path which connects from this side of the property to the pool view cottages and also the swimming pool right there. A decent sized swimming pool. Yesterday, me and Yashu, I introduced her to the swimming pool yesterday. She's never been into the swimming pool before. So, got her down and she enjoyed. She was a little scared in the beginning, but okay. I never expected her to spend some good time in the pool, which she did. Happy about it. And there is one straight path which can take you down here as well on the other side. And those are the pool view villas or cottages, and that's the swimming pool. And right at the swimming pool you have a change room right there, and also a poolside bar. Currently not so active because kind of very less guests, and only in the evening you can see people coming down and having drink and all that. The evening all of those things turn up and you can see some water getting cycled and coming over there as like a fall kind of a thing. And the pool is like of decent size, roughly around 4 to 5 feet of depth all the way from here till the other end. So that is the kids pool. And yesterday I took Yashu here, got her settled down in the water for some time, and then took her inside and she had some fun. Tell what you're doing. What are you doing? Zara Solidno. Okay. Panlama demo chuminga. 1, 2, 3. I think that's the end of the property, and we are staying at the last one there, which keeps you kind of disconnected from all the party and sound from the restaurant. So you can't hear anything here. It's like very peaceful. Okay, so here is our room, and let's do a quick room tour. One huge king size bed, sit out with garden view. That's the TV and some pantry items here, and the best part is the bathroom. Check this out, guys, like so huge. A huge bathroom, and there's a bathtub and the shower area there. And as always, this funny little thing, if you get it all up, you have a glass window between the bedroom area and the bathroom. I don't know why hotels have this, but that's the thing. Yeah, for now the weather is kind of humid, but not too much. Maybe in a few more days it's gonna get more sunny and hot, but for now it is okay. It's like the most extreme summer that you can witness in Bangalore is what it is here currently. So again, we are not gonna do some hardcore sightseeing and all that, which I've already done. This is not the first time we're coming to Goa. We have gone around, seen a lot of places already, so not interested in doing it all over again. So this time we thought, let's just come, spend some good time, chill, relax. So that was the whole idea of this trip. Right, so the next plan is to head out to Mobor Beach, where you can actually do some good water activities in South Goa. So I just called up and checked if it is still available. Yes, it is. So we're gonna go there, try to do some water sports, and spend the rest of the evening there. Catch you all.